have a computer like this and you have to replace the motherboard, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. Okay, now we are going to replace the motherboard of this supercomputer. So here we have the motherboard, as you can see. And in this case, once we have removed all the panels and everything, we have those cards that you see over here, and we are going to put numbers. So in this case, I wrote 1, 2, 3, and then I have to write 4, 5, 6, 7, like that, and so on. I'm going to write that everything in every card. Here where we don't have anything, well, we don't have to do much, but we have to remove the cards in order to remove the motherboard. So we're going to continue with that. Okay, I just removed all the boards. As you can see, here we have the number of each board. So now all we have to do is just pull this up like that. We have these plugs here. We're going to unplug them here. And we should have free access to remove those screws that you see here, there, and the other as well. And we will have to remove these plugs that you see here, and we should be okay. So I'm going to do the same thing over there. I'm going to take a picture so that way we know exactly the number. This is number 10, this is number 9, and that is number 8. So I'm going to take a picture now. You should do the same to avoid any mistakes, and that should be very easy. This is only one core. Okay, I just removed the motherboard. Very easy. The only 4 supports is those that you see over there, and that's it. And you have this plug in the other side that has been hidden, so you have to hold it with your hand and try to remove it. So basically that is how it's being connected. It's something that you are not going to see at first hand. So I'm going to replace it with the other motherboard that I have here, and everything should be easy. Just one screw here, there, and there, and that's it. Okay, now we have to put everything as it was before. Just the plug on top of it. It's kind of difficult to record and film the same, record and plug things at the same time. But remember the position of each one of them. So we have a bend pin here. I will have to make it straight. There we go. The number 8 on the bottom. Number 10, and 9 and 10. There you go. Now we're going to put the cars as they were before. This huge plug will be with this. As you can see, put it like that, and everything should be plugged in. Okay, I just installed the two cards. As you can see here and here. The only thing you have to be careful because it have to fit just the little piece of metal. Have to fit just in the middle over there. Also have to fit there. And if you have the other one on the top, as you can see, it has to fit there. So you have to make it fit here first, and then try to fit it in the rest. So I'm going to keep going until I finish. Okay, now we put it in on those rails that you see on the side. Push it all the way in, and that's it. So it should click. There you go. We have the ports here. This is the power, like in the regular motherboards. And then we have the little ones, the little one that was mentioned before. You just put it there and make sure it is all the way in, and that's it. So we're going to make some testing. We're going to do some testing later when more parts are coming, but basically that is how you replace all. Okay, for the last screw, you use the screwdriver. You put it just in that hole that you see over there, and you should be able to put the last screw for the card that it goes on the top. Something I didn't mention, but this is common sense. You should have labels in every plug. As you can see, here it says CMN01. So we have to search. This is not. This is not. Here it is. So this goes here, and then you tighten the screw in each one of them, and that's it. So here we have the other one, CT02, CT02, CTL. You know, you got the idea. CTL, as you can see, it goes here, and like that. And we keep putting the plugs in every one of them. Make sure adjust them, all of them, but don't adjust them too tight, otherwise you're going to make these nuts loose if you untie them later. Okay, now that we have the Ethernet cord and everything else has been plugged in, make sure that you have that cable that goes here. Everything goes in daisy chain. This goes here. We have the last one. So the last one, you plug that in, everything will be powered up very soon. So now, as you can see the light, now we can see the display is turning on. That's it. How to turn on this computer. So once you power it up, you will see 01 EN Bravo November. Push this button and you have to wait at least 20 minutes. So if you see some error here, that for instance here, if you see the light is coming on, it means that it's an error. You have to see the code, look on YouTube, on Google, and see what is it about, and fix whatever you have to fix.